we're maintaining the expected yield per hour.
Yes, the efficiency metrics are holding steady despite the terrain variation.
Okay, the locks are secured.
Confirmed. Beginning the lift sequence now.
The peas arrive at the processing line. This is where the industrial processing begins.